An advanced manufacturing training initiative is set to help more workers in the field. New funding for Quinsigamond Community College in Worcester will help its technology labs give students the tools they need to learn new skills. Our Chandler Walsh joins us live now from QCC with more. Chandler?
Olivia, the Baker Polito administration says there are plenty of jobs available in the advanced marketing field, but there aren't enough workers with the skills needed to take them. It's why the state is providing funding for places like Quinsigamond Community College, where we are now, to help with this skills gap. Lieutenant Governor Karen Polito tries her hand at using a robotic arm. It was made by students at Quinsigamond Community College in their technology labs.
They're getting skills in electronics, they're getting skills in robotics, they're getting skills in fixing equipment, but also how to program the equipment.
The college is one of 140 organizations and institutions who will benefit from state funding announced Tuesday. The state is providing $2.5 million for advanced manufacturing training. The money will be used to connect unemployed and underemployed people with manufacturing jobs.
It is all about having talent and pipeline of skilled workers that can attach to these jobs.
The state says the grants will fill the skills gap between jobs and applicants. Manufacturing makes up 10% of the state's economy.
These are really good paying jobs, really meaningful jobs to grow the manufacturing economy in Massachusetts.
Kinefac Corporation in Worcester says it can be difficult replacing employees who've retired, and the funding will help.
There are good jobs at all levels of manufacturing, at really good wages and upward mobility. Anything we can do to attract more people is great, but then to also give them the skills to succeed in the industry, that's a winning combination.
QCC is one place people will be trained for these jobs. President Pedraja says students learn skills in areas like robotics, lasers, and computers.
We're trying to teach our students and train them for the works of and the workforce and the profession of tomorrow. I think that's critical for the future of the Commonwealth.
And the $2.5 million in grants will train about 700 more people for an advanced manufacturing job. Live at Quinsigamond Community College, Chandler Walsh, Worcester News Tonight.